สวัสดีครับ
Today we come to the farm. Just I want to come check the flower. I want to see them it's okay or not. Okay ครับ
โอเค
The flower look okay. No one die. Good in it. And the pond looking good. The water come up because have raining for 2 days. The fish look so happy now. In the morning, when Dad he go back home, I see he have fish about 3 kilo. I ask him, where you get the fish? He say, I put the net in the creek same before. But I ask him, you put already? See, yeah, that's why I have the fish. I just see the fish in the net. I'm gonna show you. Only one. I not lucky, Not lucky same that in the morning, In the morning that he have 3 kilo. But me, only one. Every time when I come in here, I don't know I'm gonna happy or I'm gonna so sad. When walk around, see everything. Gonna have something come in my brain. When I come in the farm, when I walk everywhere, I see only Graham. See him walk around in the farm. That make me so sad. But I tell myself, I have to be strong. I have to happy. Every time I have to smile in my face. Every day I smile in my face. But my heart so cry. I cannot stop myself. I know so difficult for me. I know not easy to do. But I have to do. Every day I have to smile. Because I want fame and glam. He happy. Come to the farm. And I feel so sad. When I drive motorbike to go back home, I not smile nothing. And fame asked me, Mom, I not really see you smile. I not say anything, just quiet. And after he say, if you not smile, that not gonna happy. When I hear this one, I just feel so sorry for Fame and Graham. That's why I tell myself every day, I need to smile. Because I want Fame and Graham happy. I think when Graham he looking down for me, if I so sad all the time, sure he not gonna happy. Every day when I wake up in the morning, I gonna tell myself, you need to strong. You need to smile in your face, because that you gonna make your son and your husband to happy. I try. I do. I will do. I will do. I have to smile. I have to happy every day. Okay, I'm gonna go back home. I hear something new in the village. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This one I looking for a long time. Yeah. Spa Thai herb. I love it. I love so much. When me and Ken stay in the Phuket before, we go in the sauna every week, and Cam he like to, cause he say he like to smell the Thai herb. It's really nice. Put in it. Now we have a spa Thai herb in the village. This one they just open new, and they have promotion for 59 baht.
I hope you enjoy this video.
That about all from friend and me. Whatever you do, have a fantastic day and stay safe. Don't forget, please subscribe, share and like. It does make a big difference. Friend and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.